Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the keyboard on TCL A300W. To change your keyboard, click on the settings button on your remote, then click on OK to enter all settings. Now you can go down to System, then Keyboard, and now you can, if you have different keyboards installed on your TV, you will be able to change them here. To install new keyboards, go to Google Play Store. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.